Alright, it's Roger with iGadgetGeek, and I have another video case review today for the iPhone 4. As you can see, here is my white iPhone 4. Now I have a anti-glare screen protector on the front and back of my iPhone 4, as you can see there. Today I'm going to be reviewing a case from SGP. It is part of their Linear Crystal series. This is the smooth white. Now it says here it's for the iPhone 4 CDMA, iPhone 4, but it also will work with the GSM, and that's kind of what they're saying when they say iPhone 4. They're referring to the GSM version, and then they're calling the CDMA, which is the Verizon. So let's go ahead and take it open. The packaging is kind of neat. It's a little different. It's a kind of a plastic shell. So go ahead and take that out and see what all we get. Of course, we have the case itself, and we have this little folder here. It's got some stuff in it. Now it has a screen shield. It also has some of the LED diffusers, and it looks like a clear protector for the back Apple logo. So it's kind of nice they include all that with the case. But let's take a look at the case itself. It's actually a three-piece design. Now what you have is you have this clear acrylic back piece. Now you also have a linear color series where this would be a solid color, and you can order that in multiple colors. But as you can see here, this is the actual clear one. So I'm going to just go ahead and wipe it down real quick, and we'll stick it onto the back of the iPhone. Now it has little marks on the four corners. See if I can get it to zoom in. See if I can get a good shot of that. Now if you look right there, you can see a little lip. And what that does is that actually centers this acrylic piece onto the back of the iPhone 4. So once you've set that on there, it kind of stays in place once you get it locked down where it goes. And then you have these two bezel pieces that kind of go around the side like a bumper. And if you look at them, one side is thicker than the other. Now this would be the front, and this is what hooks onto that back acrylic piece. So you just want to kind of feed it on and line it up, as you can see there. And then you just hold it together, and then you take the bottom piece as well, making sure you've got that channel lined up, and it just kind of snaps on and snaps into place. Now once it's done that, you kind of have a nice fit. And the reason this one is pretty nice is if you have the white iPhone 4, it actually turns your entire phone white. You have a nice white bumper, and then you have this clear acrylic on the back that kind of showcases the white iPhone. Now let's go ahead and take a look around at the cutouts. Now as you can see here, you have a nice cutout here for your silent switch or your volume up and down. There's no obstructions to that. Very easy to get to. Then you have their logo. Now on the very bottom you have a nice cutout for your 30-pin dock connector, your speaker and microphone. On this other side there is nothing where the SIM card is. Of course your sleep-wake button is exposed. You have a cutout for your headphone jack and your secondary mic. Now on the very back it's this clear acrylic piece. Then you have a nice cutout here for your camera and flash. Now I'm using the white iPhone 4, and I did not have any issues with my camera with any flash over or frosting or anything like that. It is a very nice look. It gives you this pure white phone if that's what you're going for. Now you can get this in multiple colors. You can get gunmetal, blue, red, yellow, all kinds of different colors, and you can mix and match. You could have a black bottom, a white top, or vice versa. Now on the very front, there actually is no lip around the front of this phone. If you look here, it actually sits almost flush with the glass. I mean, it is sticking up just a hair, but really not much of a lip. Because what it does, instead of attaching over the glass, if you look here, let me get a better picture of it. Go ahead and get my camera to zoom in. What it actually does is it attaches right there to the stainless steel band. That's why it doesn't bubble any screen protectors. I haven't had any issues with screen protectors being bubbled with this case, which is a good thing. You know, since it actually doesn't adhere over the glass, it actually just attaches right there on that stainless steel band. So that's a pretty nice case for the money. These retail for around $25 at the SGP store, and I'll have a link in the description on where you can purchase this case. Again, this has been my review of the Linear Crystal series, the smooth white for the iPhone 4. This does fit both the GSM and the CDMA version. and this has been Roger with iGadgetGeek.